There's a lovely Imbolc tradition in the Scottish Highlands where Biddy Dolls, miniature dolls representing Brigid, are set outside the home or on the hearth to welcome Brigid and her blessings of abundance for the household and crop fields. First, Breed's bed, a tiny bed or basket, is put in place. The box or basket is then lined with white fabric to create a tiny bed for Brigid. Then the Biddy doll, made of corn husks, wheat sheaves, or even a small shell wrapped with white cloth, is added to the bed. The tiny maiden Brigid is then surrounded by offerings like milk or bread, sometimes healing herbs, or a wooden club, stick, or wand. I'm also adding a crystal to mine. Finally, candles are lit near the Brigid to represent Brigid's sacred flame. You can create your own Biddy doll and place it near your hearth along with some offerings for Brigid this Imbolc. Then invite her into your home to receive her blessings. May the warmth of her hearth, the strength of her forge, and the healing of her touch guide you through this season of renewal, bringing forth the promise of spring's embrace.